Crack! There goes that knuckle again. But wait, does this mean arthritis is just around the corner? Think again. Contrary to popular belief, there's no scientific evidence that links cracking your knuckles to arthritis. Yes, you heard it right. The cracking sound you hear, that's just gas bubbles popping in the synovial fluid of your joints. Quite fascinating, isn't it? But here's a word of caution. While arthritis might not be in the picture, excessive or forceful cracking could potentially lead to joint damage or reduced grip strength over time. So the next time you crack those knuckles, maybe go easy. Until next time, remember, knowledge is power.